All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol AZFL, currently traded at 0028. Well, the last time that we went over this one was going to be on the 22nd. That's going to be right here. And look at that, right there. There we go. I said watch for this to close above 0036. And you guys did. It looks like, let me go ahead and get back on that. Now, yes, to close at 0047, turn out at the same price, and open, turn out at the same price as close. You guys didn't listen. But, all right, so you guys couldn't listen right there, and you guys opened up higher. Penny stock gap ups, don't do this. Go look for that video on YouTube. That'll help you understand a little bit better of what happened here and why this happened the way it did. All right, so that being said, you guys pulled down that momentum down, I guess could say. But not to get into too many chart lessons here. I'm not going to spend the whole time through this video doing that. But basically, what happens is that when you gap up like this, all right, off of this close, and I even said it here. I even said it right here. The chart TA alert if this happens. I said and open tomorrow at the same price as the close. So the close was at 0047, but the open was at 0055. So it would have kept running if it opened at that same price. If it would have opened right here, I really think that it could have kept going. So when it opens up like this, people are taking profits that were in way down here, start selling in a panic. Everybody that just got in starts freaking out and they all start selling. And the stock unfortunately starts to crumble coming off of that point. You guys then come down to the big areas right here that I would have wanted to see hold. And they didn't. You guys fell right through there. Now you need to get back through those levels. You definitely need to get through them levels down there. So let me go ahead and pop up a few lines here. There's going to be a support line down there at 0020. It's going to be one of them. As far as resistance, it's going to be much higher. Obviously, from where you're at, we can put one up there at 0045. Yeah, roughly. We'll ballpark that thing, but you guys get the idea. And then after that, we'll worry about that coming up here. That being said, you guys are going to need to get past the 20-day and 30-day simple moving average at 0034 and 0033. You guys are really tapping on that. We're going to be watching for the selling to slow and the buying to pick up to get you through those levels. 0045 will come quick. After that, you guys could really start making some moves up there pretty quick. Really. And I'm not exaggerating here by a long shot. I mean, this thing could really, really freaking move. It really comes down to the buying and selling to slow. You guys up to those levels. We're going to be watching for that to happen. Joe's turn to tell you a little bit about the company. Got information.
All right, so there's no recent update since the last time we went over it, which was what, the 22nd. All right, so I'll just give you a brief description of I'll read the company profile. Amazonas Floresto Limited is a natural resource company diversified in several areas, including but not limited to timber, biomass, and clean energy generation. The company is dedicated to the management of its large tracts of land in the rainforests of Amazonas, Brazil. Amazonas Floresto's sustainable forest management strategy, with its green philosophy and modern methods of cyclical harvesting, preserves ecosystems through habitat and water resource preservation, positioning it as a potential industry leader in responsible, eco-friendly timber practices. Headquartered in Miami, Florida, Amazonas Floresto Limited's goal is to become the leader in sustainable forest management, creating revenue while protecting the biodiversity of the rainforest ecosystem and enhancing the lives of the people who live in it. Amazonas' business model relies on three distinct responsible business initiatives and revenue streams. The first initiative, which is already in operations, is sustainable forest and timber operations, by which Amazonas supplies hardwood timber to a diverse worldwide customer base specializing in the manufacturing of hardwood sleepers for the railroads in Europe. And the other initiatives, which is currently being developed, are in the areas of industrial hemp, biomass development, which creates revenues through the direct sales of clean energy and carbon offsets, which are used to garner our red carbon credit initiatives for resale. So, as always, if you have an opinion or want to continue to research on the company, their website is www.azflusa.com. And also, if you want to look into the filings and whatnot, basically just type in AZFL in the right-hand corner. It'll bring you to the Amazonas Florestal board on the Investors Hangout. From there, you can look into the filings, the recent news, the financials, buy rating, company profile, the time and sales. And as always, if you have an opinion or you're looking for an opinion, feel free to share that on the message board with the tens of thousands of daily investors that we have using the site.
All right, there we go. So 0028, watch for buying to return and selling to stop. Needs to break 10 in the 20-day simple moving average at 0034 together. 0045 could come quick then. Chart setting up if selling stops. It's my opinion on AZFL. If you follow this stock and this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We would definitely appreciate that very much. If you have another stock that you're following other than this, I definitely encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com/live and you can let us know there. Be sure to take your hot stock, your favorite stock, or the stocks that you're invested in, and add them to our list of videos so we can go over them just like we did here. Again, AZFL.